Hey Lisa, are you ready to go shopping?
Absolutely. I need a new jacket for the weekend trip.
Nice. Let's check out that store over there. It looks good.
Yeah, the clothes look cool. Oh, look at this blue jacket.
That's nice. Do you want to try it on?
How do I say that in English again?
Easy. Just say, "Can I try this on, please?"
Got it. Can I try this on, please?
Shop assistant. Of course. The fitting room is right over there.
Thank you.
Dress? A few minutes later.
Okay, Mark, what do you think? Does it look good on me?
Wow, it looks great. That color really suits you.
Thanks. I like it too. But let's see how much it is.
Good idea.
Lisa checks tag. Oh, $89.99. That's a bit expensive.
Maybe you can ask if they have a discount?
How do I ask that?
Say, "Is this on sale?" Or, "Do you have any discounts today?"
Okay. Is this on sale? Do you have any discounts today?
Repeat after me. Practice section. Repeat after me. "Can I try this on, please?" "How much is it?" "Is this on sale?"
Lisa repeats confidently. Can I try this on, please? How much is it? Is this on sale?
Perfect. You sound like a real shopper now. Shoes. They walk to the counter. Did it fit well?
Yes, it's perfect. How much is it again?
It's $89.99, but today we have a 20% discount.
Oh, really? That's great. I'll take it, please.
Wonderful. Would you like to pay by cash or card?
By card, please.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
You too.
Mini speaking challenge. Okay, Lisa, your turn to be the shop assistant.
All right. Lisa, as shop assistant. Hello, how can I help you today?
Hi. Can I try this shirt on, please?
Sure. The fitting room is over there.
Thanks. How much is this shirt?
It's $25, but for you, it's free.
I like this store. Summary and practice. Repeat after me. Can I try this on, please? How much is it? Do you have this in another size? I'll take it, please.
English shopping is fun.
Yeah, and useful. Next time, you can shop anywhere in the world. Music's soft outro fades in. Great job today, Lisa. And you, dear listener. Next time you go shopping, try speaking English, even 1 or 2 sentences.
Yes, confidence grows when you use English in real life.
Exactly. See you in the next episode at the airport.
Bye.